This is the clubhouse. So we've got a little kitchenette right here. You can use this for parties and stuff. Pool table. And then they have the coffee bar right there. I think this is shuffleboard. Alright, and then here's the pool area. Grilling stations over here to the left. There's the pool. Little hangout area. We got one grill. Alright, not too bad. We're gonna go take a look at unit 433, which is a 1-bedroom. And then we'll take a look at the gym and other stuff. So you'll walk in, and then they've got their computer area to the left, as well as a conference room beyond that. Some chairs, 2 computers. On the right side, they have a cycle and exercise room. And they have like pre-programmed workouts, actually, so you can come in, choose which workout you want to do, and then it'll show it up there on the screen as you're busting out your workout. That's that part. Restrooms. And then here's the fitness center. So they've got some basic equipment. There we go. And that is the fitness center at Rustico, along with the other amenities. And they do have a laundry facility, so since the units only come with connections, they don't actually have the units in there. Temporarily, you could use this. If you decided you wanted to rent some units, you could do that, or if obviously you were going to buy them. But, okay, now we're going to go take a look at the unit. Okay.
Oh, our carports are going to be 45. Our detached garages are going to be 95, and our attached garages are going to be 110.
110 for attached.
Yes.
Okay, and as far as the other parking, is it all open parking?
Correct. Yeah. It's all for one and one for all, kind of Musketeers parking over here. So you just kind of
go
for it.
All right.
Everybody gets a parking tag, and so long as you're not under a carport, you just fight to the death.
Okay, so everyone has a parking tag.
Yes,
What about for guests?
Guests get a visitor's parking tag.
Okay, so you got to get a visitor's parking tag for guests. Got it.
Because we do allow the towing company on site, so that way residents that do pay their rent do have the opportunity.
Yeah, they get priority on spot. All right, here we go. Toasty in here. So this one has a big island. Little pantry to the right here, so you can put all your 50-pound bag of rice and beans. Ice maker. There's the refrigerator. Standard size microwave. Leads into the bathroom here. There we go. Okay, so there's your vanity. Has like a low entrance to the bathtub, so that's nice. There's your like linen towel area. Here's the closet. There's a light to this somewhere. There we go. Okay, so here you go. Closet. And then the washer and dryer connections. This one has units in it. And they'll be removed. Okay. Just confirming. So these come with connections, not the unit. Okay, and then here is the bedroom. There we go. Not bad. Decent view. See a little bit of the hill country. Okay, and then this perspective of the bedroom there. You have some storage out on the patio in this unit. Decent size. There's your water heater, a little bit of storage, little shelf there. Not too shabby. Yeah, so a decent size, and then I will show you the kitchen. Boom, there it is. Kitchen. Okay, and then the living room. We whip around. There we go. So this is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. Have to get clarification on the square footage on this one, but I think it's around 700. Maybe, maybe not. All right, and this is Rustico, 1-bedroom.